Hi guys, I'm Amy from Butler RV Center and Auto Sales, and I'm really excited to show you this fifth wheel from Dutchmen, Astoria. One of the things that make the fifth wheel so attractive is this really high ceiling back in your living area. It gives you lots of space for some light pendants like these great ones they have here. You also get your ventilation as well as some other lighting up above. Astoria really outdid themselves with the finishes, the attention to detail, and kind of the new great interior decorating trends that they're following. Got plenty of great natural lighting in this fifth wheel. We have large windows throughout this back and the dining and couch side. There's additional storage above this rear couch. This couch folds out to a bed, whether you have guests staying with you or you need additional sleeping for maybe 1 or 2 kids. Over here you have your entertainment center, which includes a TV and a fireplace. The fireplace can be used for heat or just decoration. Again, you have your additional storage. Continuing on in this rear living room, you have your theater style sofa. It includes cup holders, a little cubby hole to store your remote or anything else you need. It's also a recliner. Floor plan flows right into the kitchen, starting with this floor to ceiling pantry you see here. It's about an arm length deep. This is awesome storage for your dry goods or your canned goods, giving you a longer time in between store trips. You have your standard appliances over here on this wall. You have your Furion oven and cooktop. It flips up, the 3-burner stove. You have your microwave. A little cubby pocket over here for additional storage, and then you also have some additional storage here. Big enough to fit some of your cooking pans or any other pots and pans. You have this massive RV 10 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Opens up on both sides, giving you plenty of access to whatever you need to put in there. It runs off power and propane. Of course, you have your freezer up top. Moving over here to the center island, you see that they continue this solid surface countertop with its LED lighting in the middle. You have all your storage over here. You have good sized drawers. You have a large apron front sink that features this nice accessory that allows you to wash your dishes and then set them over here to dry. You have your residential style faucet that pulls out for your hose. And my favorite part of this island is they've thought of where to put your trash. So you have this nice pull out cabinet here with 2 waste bins. One thing I like to point out about the styling in this coach is they have blended in this contrasting two-tone across the entire coach. So you have this nice white cabinetry up here, offset with the lighter wood cabinetry over there. That wood cabinetry continues onto this island. It's contrasted by that white solid surface countertop, and then again you see this white cabinetry continue towards the front of the coach. This is a great place for storage, or you're serving, you want to put your crock pots or other things when you're maybe entertaining at the campground. You have this pretty neat hidden outlet here, so you can put it down if you don't need it. If you do need it, like I said, for your appliances, it's right there. These are just nice big cabinets for anything you may need. I know when I'm camping, I typically take a slow cooker, and it's hard to find a cabinet that will hold it. So they have thought about that here. That storage concept continues on. You can see the depth of these big drawers here. You got 2 of those there, as well as a traditional size drawer, and then another cabinet. So I was talking earlier about that styling, and I just want to point out that they even continue that down to the flooring. So you have this nice herringbone linoleum flooring, which linoleum is great for an RV industry, easy to clean, great flexibility. But that herringbone style, which you see so popular now in the residential industry, is now carrying over in the RV industry. Let's continue up to the front where we can see the bedroom and the bathroom. Here we are in the front of this fifth wheel and looking at our third slide. It is your bed slide. It gets you a nice sized bed with a walk around feature. You have your closet up front with your hanging here, and then this additional cabinet storage over here, which is actually prepped for your washer and dryer. Here we are in the bathroom. You have some nice shelving here for any of your linen or towels. You have a large shower with a triple slide door, giving you a wider access point into your shower. Also has a small stool in the corner in case you need to sit while you're in the shower. When you come into this bathroom, you come straight in, and your toilet's opposite. You'll see that they've added some additional space around your toilet, which is nice for usability. The best part about this bathroom, especially for being an RV bathroom, is you have a double vanity. Mirrors on either side, storage in the front, as well as some storage under your sinks. Here we are on the outside of the Astoria 3173 RLP. It sits just under 36 foot in length, just under 12,000 pounds. Has aluminum construction making it light. And also they even wrap the nose here, so really reducing one of those leak points. See this fifth wheel and all our great RVs at butlerrvcenter.com.